Yo, what's up guys? I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of SimCity BuildIt. This will basically give you unlimited Simoleons and SimCash in the game, which you can use to purchase anything. And don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as free shopping, unlimited Simoleons and SimCash, unlimited keys, unlocked origin and epic building, and much more. The next step is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using Android today. Once on your device, make sure you already have SimCity BuildIt installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is simply open your favorite browser and follow my instruction. In the search bar, type like me SimCity BuildIt and press install. After the installation is completed, the mod SimCity BuildIt will be installed on your Android or iOS device. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.